we are going to study the experiment, that is Helmholtz resonator. In this experiment, we are going to understand what is resonance. So resonance is a phenomenon in which when natural frequency matches with the applied frequency, a loud sound is heard. So to understand this phenomenon, the apparatus which are required are resonator, tuning fork, measuring beaker or a jar we can take, and a rubber pad. To start with the experiment, measure the full capacity of the resonator by filling the water up to the neck. And write in the observation, full capacity of the resonator is equals to V0 is equals to 500 ml, or in cubic centimeter we can write it as 500 cc. After measuring the full capacity of the resonator, arrange all the tuning forks in the decreasing order, that is from the highest frequency to the lower frequency, and then take the tuning fork of highest frequency and strike it on rubber pad and hold near the mouth of the resonator horizontally. By holding the tuning fork, take out water till we can hear the maximum sound and measure the volume of air. And record the readings in the tabular column. Repeat the experiment for the same tuning fork and find the mean of volume. And then repeat the same procedure for all the tuning forks. So these are the some readings for all the tuning forks that we have taken here. And after taking the readings, plot the graph of volume and frequency. So that is, here we can see the graph. So that is volume on the y-axis and frequency 1 upon n square on x-axis. So we are getting here a straight line graph, so which we can see, and from the graph we can find the slope, that is from the graph the slope is equals to, we can write it as m is equals to AC upon BC we can find, and we are getting the value as nearly 29.31 into 10 raised to plus 6. After finding the slope, we can find the unknown frequency, which is nx is equals to root of m upon vx, where m is the slope of the graph, vx is the frequency, that is volume of unknown frequency. When we substitute all these values in the formula, so the unknown frequency we are getting it as 306 Hertz. From the graph also we can find the natural frequency, that is n is equals to root of m upon v0. So when we substitute the slope, and v0 is nothing but the full capacity of the resonator, that is 500 cc. So when we substitute the values, we are getting it as 242 Hertz. From the graph also we can find the neck correction. So here we can see in the graph the line which is intersecting here on the y-axis. It gives the neck correction, that is OP. So when we measure and calculate the neck correction, we are getting it as nearly 50 cc. So from this Helmholtz, so from this experiment, we can find out the unknown frequency, natural frequency, and also the neck correction, and will understand the phenomenon of resonance properly. So thank you.